Lots of intensity this week. What made the Intense 5? The Duke and Duchess of Sussex might have to give up those titles if the Queen has her way. I guess she figures if they want to be regular people, they have to live without the big title to know.
Yes. The killing of the Arnett Gardens peacemaker. Really sad.
Coffee's episode on Wild and Out. Show them how we do it.
Very. There's a Bob Marley musical in the works and it's scheduled to be released next year. Get Up, Stand Up will be opened in London in 2021.
And finally holding the spot this week, Popcorn's lawyer said it wasn't him. There was a video circulating on social media that implied that Popcorn was found with guns in his van. Nothing though goes so at all. That's it for the Intense 5. Remember to follow us on IG at TVJ Intense.